Hey traders, Tyler here with another daily watch list. Just want to start off with the good old disclaimer. This is not investment advice. These are not market predictions. Investing is inherently risky. Make sure that you do your own due diligence before taking any trades. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's jump in. So we're going to start off here with Apple. And Apple had a 3-2 down with a nice green kind of hammer. So we'll be looking at taking this as it breaks back up over its previous day high and looking to capitalize back up to it's like 192 level here. I actually think my alert is a little bit too low, but we'll fix that later. Next up, we have AFRM. AFRM, we're looking at a real good green run. Nice little pullback here, stayed green. Kind of fat for a hammer, but either way, looking to break out of this consolidation day back to the upside. This is a yearly high. I think, definitely not an all-time high, but a yearly high. But we're all green, so I think if we can see some upward movement, we'll hop back in, see if we can ride this up a little bit more. Next up, we've got Amazon. Amazon's been kind of bouncing all over the place, but we've had 2 down, 2 up, 2 down. So we'll look for maybe another 2 up here tomorrow. Grab this when it breaks this high here. Look to take profit at one of these couple levels here. Next up, we've got Bank of America. This one's been doing some nice little waves here. Good green day yesterday. Kind of a consolidation day today, so we'll look to see if we break out of that consolidation upward, and if so, maybe hop in, maybe not. There's not really a good profit target close by, so I don't know how much gas it'll have. I don't know. We'll see how that looks tomorrow. BITO, we will kind of look for a similar 1-2 down. So we're gonna look for a 2 up, back hitting one or two of these couple highs here, but looking to get somewhere back up into $19. Grabbing this maybe. I think my mark is too high, but coming out of here. Next up, we have got DELL. This was a similar situation to Bank of America, but not a very big take profit, but a little consolidation day after a little like roller coaster ride. So I don't know. We'll see. Nice and green all around. Maybe take a moving out of the consolidation, but this one will probably be back burner for me. eBay. Kind of on some downward movement, quarter, year, week, everything's kind of red. But if you can move up, kind of maybe retake some of this red candle here, might not be a bad trade. I'll probably stay away from this though because of all the red trend, which doesn't look like it would be in my favor. We have FedEx. I am still kind of watching this. I'm debating taking this as it breaks this previous week high and maybe trying to catch back up to here. If I do, it'll probably be the goal of selling next week sometime. Not a short trade, maybe 3 or 4 day trade and play into the holiday season. Maybe their price will go up. We'll see. For solar, we've got 2 up, 2 down on the day. Actually, a little Randy Jackson bull reversal here, so we'll look for 2 up here coming out of this previous high and look to take profit a couple of these spots here. Intel next, we've got consolidation into this little breakout, kind of a pullback 2 down, so we'll look to see if we get another green candle, 2 up, and maybe back up into this high here. Again, not a lot of room for profit, so I probably won't play this one, but keep it on the radar just in case. We've got Monday.com. Had a nice 3 bar, kind of mostly downward momentum. Another 2 down, but it finished green. So we'll look to see if we can reclaim the rest of this red 3 bar. Maybe hop in after here, take profit there. We've got Microsoft up next. 3 bar yesterday, downward pressure, like a nice little green pushback today. So we'll look to see if we can kind of keep pushing up and again reclaim the rest of this 3 candle from yesterday. We've got Palantir next. 2 up, 2 down. Not a lot of profit here. Kind of wishy-washy, mostly downward trend, even though all the signals are green, which is kind of weird, but I guess it's just where everything starts. Happen to be on the downward side, but I don't know. We'll take a look. If it looks like it's gonna break out, maybe we'll jump in, look to take profit one of these couple spots here. But I don't know. I've never really been into Palantir myself. We have Roblox next. We had a nice string of 2 ups, 1 consolidation. So we'll look to see if we can kind of continue that upward pressure, or if we kind of stall out here. We'll keep an eye and maybe try to either take this up to that yesterday high, or see if we can make that high from a month or 2 ago. Or well, I guess that was like a week ago actually. Next up, we've got Royal Caribbean Group. We've got a 3 kind of long wick up, but we still had some upward green candle today. Nice little 1 consolidation, so we'll see if we can break out of that, take back the rest of this red candle. Seems to be the theme of the day. A lot of big red candles yesterday, and it's a little reclamation today, and see if we can get the rest tomorrow. Likewise, SPY, red candle, 2 up yesterday. We had a 2 down today, even though it was green. We'll look to break kind of back up into the top of this red candle here if we can. We've got Skyworks Solutions up next. We had a gap up, 2 up candle that ended up red, and then a gap up green hammer that ended up green. And now we're going to look to see if we can fill the rest of this red candle here. Maybe claim a couple, so maybe $1 worth of profit there. Next up, we have got Toyota Motor Corporation. This stock is so all over the place. I don't know. It'll probably open up way up here, way down here. We won't be able to do anything. But if it opens up near here, we can catch a move up. That'd be cool. Looks like we can maybe reclaim this red candle as well. Maybe even see about hitting this high from last week. We've got Upstart up next. This one's done like this nice little swoop pattern. 2 up, 2 down. Look to see if we can get back to yesterday's high. Maybe even look for the high from a couple weeks ago. And last but not least, we've got Wynn Resorts. That one's been on a real red trek as of now. Got a little 1 consolidation, and we'll look for either another strong pullback or further move to the down. I prefer to play the downward move, seeing as how it's all red, but I'm a long bias trader, so I'll probably end up staying out of this one, to be honest. But if it does look like it might go green, I mean, that's a lot of red bar to reclaim. We can look for that, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But that's my watch list for tomorrow. I'll be keeping an eye on these guys. Let me know what you'll be looking at, and I will talk to you guys next week.